Life at Omega Morgan before WrightPlan, we had several different software systems. We had a separate CRM, we had a separate, our own dispatch system. So nothing was all tied together. My ultimate goal was to bring it all underneath one roof. I met Mike I think we were at a conference in Florida, and his ability to adapt to my vision was the main reason I went with WrightPlan. Like anything, there's curveballs comes with any new situation that you're in, new software that you're implementing. The WrightPlan crew really stepped up, took charge, flew down when they needed to fly down, made sure that the process was flawless. While we did run over our time limits a little bit on implementing, I think it was a little bit more on our end, as some of our legacy folks don't like change, and with change, it's always a problem. But Mike and his team did wonders to overcome that for us. The opportunity to close process is so much easier underneath WrightPlan. We take it from an opportunity to producing an invoice is the best thing for me. It's an adaptable system. WrightPlan, as your company moves forward, no matter if you're a small company or a large company, WrightPlan can make sure that it all fits together.